Here's the thing, if you own a 2016, 17, or 18 Chevy Silverado HD truck and you want to be able to see better while driving down the road at night than I can see my pretty face in the front end of this truck, then you, my friend, probably would be interested in the brand new Morimoto XB LED headlights for the HD Silverado trucks. Let's check them out. Behold, my friends, the XB LED headlight for the 16 to 18 Silverado. So many of you guys have been asking us for so long, when are you gonna make them for the Silverado? When are they gonna come out for the Silverado? We've been telling you, they're coming, they're coming. Well, they are finally here. This is for the HD trucks. There's another model that's for the 1500 trucks as well that'll be launching simultaneously, so don't you guys worry. But as you can see, this thing is massive. It's got the front trim on it that matches with the grille. This front trim here is chrome, but it's also available in a gloss black for those of you guys who have black grills. For those of you guys who have color match grills, well, you're out of luck. You're gonna have to paint one of the two available trims that come with the light. But as you can see, these things actually have the look of the facelifted 1500 LED headlights. So here, stock halogen projector, kind of crappy output. Dual bi-LED projectors, so supreme output for low and high beam. Full LED daytime running light on the top and bottom, of course with the sequential turn signal and a nice little smoke side marker here, and of course the blacked out look. We're gonna go ahead and get these things mounted up on this Snow White Silverado and show you what they look like. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now this truck was chromed out before, but it's absolutely blinging now with these headlights on here. We put these things on. I think the style speaks for themselves, so I'm not really gonna recap on that. You obviously saw the footage, but when we tested the light output compared to the OEM halogen projector, these dual bi-LEDs, that means low beam and high beam, 4 of them, all LED, are about 4 times brighter than the stock headlights. So style aside, if you are looking for an actual performance upgrade for your truck, look no further. There it is, Morimoto XB LED for the 16 plus Silverado HD trucks. Check it out.